Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are sitting below $1 trillion. We're sitting below $1 trillion market cap, and I don't even remember when the last time was when we were around these levels. You know, massive bloodbath across the board, faster than expected, but as you guys may know, on our channel, on the Crypto ZX channel, we were talking about this. Go watch my yesterday's video and you guys will know exactly what I was mentioning to you guys just then. Looking at the market cap, as I have mentioned, we are below $1 trillion, currently sitting at $975 billion. It just feels very weird to even say that. Down 10.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.2%. Looking at the overall markets, you guys can see major bloodbath across the board, but in the last 1 hour, we are starting to see some sort of relief after this massive pull down that we have seen in the price of Bitcoin, which has caused the entire cryptocurrency markets to react. Bitcoin alone just today is down 13.7%. Massive drop within the cryptocurrency markets. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we have not covered for quite some time, and that's none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.024 cents. You know, it's down 3.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but if we're looking at the BTC comparative, it's up 12%. And that's happening within the overall space right now. It's not just Vechain that's seeing that. The overall space is seeing that right now. If we are looking at the ranking in the cryptocurrency market ranking for Vechain, it's currently ranked at that top 34 spot. Market cap is still above that $1 billion mark, currently sitting at $1.73 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $317.6 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, you know, it's not a surprise at this point. In the last year, it's still down about 80%. So we have not seen much excitement within this year. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. You know, the price, what's happening? Have we seen the bottom for the price of Bitcoin? You guys want to hang in tight and really watch this video till the absolute end because it is jam-packed with information. But before we get into the exciting stuff, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join 50 million plus users that are buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 5% back, which is my favorite thing about this platform. And lastly, grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. This app is a one-stop shop. You can literally do everything on this app, anywhere from converting your fiat to crypto back onto that Crypto.com Visa card and spend that anywhere Visa is accepted. And like I said, it's a one-stop shop. Check it out. And if you use my link in the description box below, you get free $25. Guys, what are you waiting for? And lastly, you know, do not forget to check the Crypto.com Visa card. Enjoy up to 5% back on all spending. And you can top it up with fiat and crypto. But now let's get right into the prices for Vechain. All right, so as you guys know, we've seen what happened within the markets over the past couple of days. We have seen a massive pull down for the price of Bitcoin, which I was talking about just yesterday itself. You know what? Let's look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was hovering below this level of support, and as you guys may know, this level of support was the last resort for myself, for me to even be confident whether or not we're in a bull market still. And this was, for me, the deciding factor. If the price of, Bitcoin were to drop below this and was unable to close above this level of resistance, I personally thought that, the bear market is going to start, and, we are going to see lower prices. And as a matter of fact, guys, right next day, we have seen the price of Bitcoin fall down to lower levels that we have not seen since December or even November of 2020. So you guys really see how much of a pull down we have seen for the price of Bitcoin. We saw the price of Bitcoin go all the way down to $20,850. Seen a little bit of rebound, but we're not out of the woods just yet, guys. Vechain, on the other hand, if we are, let's zoom in and see what's going on with Vechain. So not much has been going on. A lot of sideways movements happening within the price of Vechain. Very, very oversold at this point. Very, very oversold. If I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, and, if we see from May 21st, where we saw the price of Vechain sitting at about 0.035 cents, since then, we have seen the price pull down about 35%. So compared to some other altcoins within the markets, not much, not much reaction within Vechain's price if we are looking at the broader picture. And that really goes to show how oversold Vechain already really is. And a lot of people, I've been seeing comments left and right, guys. A lot of people are saying, the Vechain's price is going back below that 1 penny. A lot of people are saying Vechain is going to return back to those prices. And is that possible? That's what everyone wants to know right now. And I've been getting a lot of requests on whether or not that is possible. To keep it short, is it possible? It definitely is possible. And let me explain as to why. Right now, Bitcoin is nowhere near the safe zone right now. Nowhere near, the safe zone where we need to be. I did tell you guys $22,000 is the next support level. We did see the price of Bitcoin drop all the way down to $20,000, basically $21,000. But look where it's hovering right now. Look where it's being supported at. It's being supported at that $22,000 price point. So now this is a level what needs to hold for the price of Bitcoin. And for me, I believe going any lower, it's possible, but it won't last too long in my personal opinion. It's such a psychological price point, but you never know. You guys know what's happening around the world right now. There's a lot of uncertainty within the traditional markets itself as well. Inflation's on its peak. A lot of, scare are within the globe right now. And obviously Bitcoin is reacting as well. So, we never know what can happen, but $22,000 right now, it's sitting at. If we do go lower, where could we be going? We could be going back down to that 19,000 or even lower. That could definitely be in play, but I don't see those prices holding for too long. If that were to occur, let me give you guys a better understanding what that would basically mean. That would mean a drop of about, let's say if the price of Bitcoin goes down to 16,356, because we do have some support around that price point, that's a 26% move towards the downside. And if I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys know altcoins tend to get hit even harder when that occurs, especially moves like that. That were to occur, we could see Vechain possibly at a penny or lower, but I do believe that this is going to be a buying opportunity for a lot of people. A lot of people are going to go absolutely insane at these prices, and so is myself. Not financial advice, guys. This is just my own personal opinion, but if the price of Vechain drops down to a penny, guys, I will be getting extremely, extremely greedy, and you guys know why. I've been mentioning this for such a long time for you guys. I am a strong believer on the project of Vechain. Look at the price. The price has pulled down. You know what? Let's look at it. Why not? Let's look at how far the price has dropped since all-time high. If I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, since all-time high, which was set back on last April, almost over a year ago, the prices have dropped 92%. 92%. And, this is cryptocurrencies. this really does take away a lot of people, a lot of investors, but that's the beauty of cryptocurrencies. Obviously there's pros and cons. You can make life-changing gains within a matter of 2 to 3 years, but you can also lose them in a snap of a finger. That's why greediness is not needed within this market, guys. You always want to be locking in profits, but that is not the point. The point is, at a cent, that's where I will be accumulating like absolutely crazy for a project like Vechain, because the company, the project itself keeps on developing, keeps on making strides. We can never forget the prices of altcoins. No matter what altcoin it really is, it is going to be impacted when Bitcoin drops. And it always happens. I don't care what anyone says, it's always going to happen. I will come and tell you guys the truth. No one can say that the prices of an altcoin is going to stay and it's going to keep mooning while the prices of Bitcoin is going to tank. Absolutely not, unless it's a stable coin. So you always want to be locking in profits, never want to be getting greedy. But at that 1 cent mark, I will be getting greedy. Rich people are made within the bear market. When there's a lot of bloodbath across the board, everyone is selling, paper hands. That's the people that are accumulating, the sophisticated investors. Those are the ones that succeed when the markets turn around. And without a doubt, again, my own personal opinion, not financial advice, Vechain, I have still very, very strong hope for the long haul for this project. And I do believe that that would be a great opportunity for myself to be accumulating. BTC dominance, on the other hand, if you're an altcoin holder, 46.13%. We are seeing altcoins holding better than Bitcoin right now, and that is why that is happening right now. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys are doing right now and where you could see the price of Vechain go along with the cryptocurrencies market within the next few months. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.